All right, so we got the replacement bio bag and charcoal. We're gonna put it in our fish tank today, and of course, you know, when you buy it, it comes in a set, and they also include another extra bag of charcoal in here, which I like, you know. So we're gonna set this up on our actual little small aquarium that we have here, that we're gonna house shrimp and other stuff in here, and maybe some fishes in here, but not too much. Aquarium is real small. It's about 3 point something gallons, 3.5 I believe. Right now there is no filter. There's only water to cycle the water back. That's pretty much what it is, and we're actually going to start filtering things out through the sponge, and the sponge is recyclable. So we got these are for the good bacteria, and of course we got our charcoal bag in there. So let's fill it in here, squeeze it in here, and of course you're gonna have to squeeze it in so it's gonna get some water out too, and just push it down and it's gonna absorb some water. And there we go. And that's it. That's pretty much it. You can put it all the way down, but we're going to keep it as is because we want to retain the water in. Sucks the water through the bottom, takes it back out, and so forth. So you see how the water is going in? Look at that. You can actually see it take in and out. Look at that. So what it's going to do, it's going to charcoal the water through here, go down the bottom, and it's going to come up to the top into this side. It's going to filter all the bad stuff out of it. All the sponges is pretty good, cleaning it up.